Hello everyone. I just came out to check on the garden and we had a very heavy rain yesterday. High winds, heavy rain, and unfortunately it kind of did some damage to my garden. You see my hot banana peppers down here? They weren't ready to be picked quite yet, but that heavy rain knocked peppers right off of the plant. Same with right here. So those three, I guess, are getting harvested. Hopefully we can find the use for them before they go bad, because the tops even got ripped off of those ones. But I guess it is what it is. Sooner than I would have liked to harvest, but the rain did a number. It even knocked, I think one of these had, yeah, it even knocked flowers off the plant. Stupid rain. Now, the sweet banana peppers, you noticed last time they were barely going anywhere. Look how big they're getting already. So, the add of everything might have helped. See, even flowers got knocked off in that one. That rain did a number. Everything else is looking good, though. Just wanted to do a fast update, show you guys what that rainstorm did to my garden.